Got some weird stuff. I got something I've never seen before. This is called Grillicious, and they're wipes. They're like spicy wipes, but not like, you know, it goes on the pan. Never used these before. They just sent me these. And you can actually get these at like Walmart and Costco and like Trader Joe's, I think. And they tell you to use gloves, but I'm in the pool, so. This is their habanero flavor. Ooh, it's sexy. We just do like this. You know, I like to taste everything right out the package. Oh, God. Well, oh, that's spicy. Not too spicy, though. So what you're supposed to do is, it's like a... You're supposed to put it in the pan, do like this, put the chicken in it, and then cook it. So we're gonna do that tonight. So this is from Grillicious. I'm excited. That actually tastes really good. It's like a oily, hot. Time to go pick up my kid. Thank you, Grillicious.